Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create an AdsPower account. Alright, let's begin. First, open the AdsPower browser on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. The login page will now be displayed on your screen. Simply click on the Sign Up embed at the top and start by entering your email address. After that, complete the CAPTCHA verification by clicking on the checkbox and then select the Get Verification Code button. Now, open your preferred browser and search for gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account, copy the AdsPower verification code, and paste it into the dedicated field on the AdsPower sign-up page. Next, enter a new password and click on the Sign Up button to complete the process. Congratulations, you have successfully created your AdsPower account. So that's basically how you can create an AdsPower account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.